So here we have Warmup-1 parrotTrouble in Java. We have a loud talking parrot. The hour parameter is the current hour time in the range 0 to 23. We are in trouble if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7 or after 20. Return true if we are in trouble. So before I start with the sample cases, let's just reiterate what this problem statement is saying. So the parameters we have are Boolean talking, defining if the parrot is talking or not, and the integer hour. So we're given the fact that the hour parameter is in the range 0 to 23. So I'll just write that real quick. It says that we are in trouble if the parrot is talking and the hour is before 7 or after 20. We of course return true if we are in trouble. So assuming that the parrot is talking, so assuming that talking equals true, the times in which we are in trouble are if the hour is before 7 or after 20. So if we label this as 7 and this is 20, maybe this. So we're in trouble if, again, talking equals true, and if the hour is before 7, so in this interval, or after 20, so in this interval. You'll note that it doesn't say equal to, or it doesn't say on 7 or on 20. It says before 7 or after 20, so we'll assume that it's exclusive, or rather that the intervals are exclusive. You might wonder what happens if the hour given is like -1 or 25 or something wrong, something that's clearly wrong. Because the interval with the hour is restricted to is 0 and 23, we don't need to worry about it, especially because there's no parameters besides these two, before 7 or after 20. So now let's just go over the sample cases. So here we're saying talking equals true, so talking does equal true. And we're saying that the hour is 6. 6 is before 7 because 6 is right here. As a result, we return true. In our next sample case, we have true, so a parrot is talking, so we need to worry about time now. And the time is 7. As I said before, it's exclusive. The intervals are exclusive, so if the time is at 7, we're okay because it's just blank space. As a result, we just return false. We're not in trouble. Here, we're told that the parrot is not talking. Before even looking at the time, we can just stop right there. Because the parrot is not talking, we're not going to be in trouble at all. This condition only exists if the parrot is talking. So we just automatically return false. So now that I've shown you what this problem statement is saying, let's implement it. So first, as I just said, we check if the parrot is talking. So if talking equals true. If talking equals true, there are a few cases we need to worry about. If talking does not equal true, we just automatically return false. Next, if talking equals true, and if the hour is before 7, we return true. We are in trouble. This is the interval here. Next, we check if the hour is greater than 20 or after 20, this interval. In this case, we return true again. We are in trouble. If the parrot is talking but we're not in any of these intervals, which means we're in this open interval, we can just return false. We're not in trouble. If you run our solution, you'll see that it works. Perfect.